Hey guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to easily reverse video in CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project or use existing one. Select video you want to reverse and add it to your project. Before reversing, consider the audio aspect. Reversing video will also reverse the audio. If the reserved audio might be distracting, tap on the volume icon and mute it by turning it down to 0. Tap on the video clip in your timeline to select it. Scroll to the right until you see reverse option with the play button. Click on a reverse and app will proceed to reversal. This may take a moment. Once reversed, preview video. Note that during playback it may appear a bit laggy, but saved version will be smooth. If satisfied, export project. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.